Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I am coming on today with a project share. I made an Easter banner flip. I guess that's what I'm going to call it. First, I'm going to share with you the dies that I used so you can see all of the dies that I used to create this project, and then I'll share the project. So I used this set of dies. These are border dies from Cat Scrappiness. I used some of these dies. I just pulled all my Easter dies because I used so many. So if you don't see them on today's project, you're going to see them in the next couple of videos that I'm going to be sharing. I used this set of Easter dies right here. I used these two bunnies right here, I believe, and I think I used some of those eggs. I used this flower die. I used this banner set, and then this is an egg set as well that I used. I used this nesting set right here, and I think I used this one as well. I used this Easter die right here, and then I also used this die right here. It creates little banners with the letters inside. I used these bunny rabbits, and this says Happy Easter. I used this die right here, that bunny head, I believe, and then I also used this flower border die. Okay, so let's get to my project. All right, so here is the little Easter flip. I think it came out super, super cute. Here you can see I have Happy Easter in those tiny banner letters that I die cut out. I did use some eyelets that were gifted to me by a subscriber. Thank you so much for those eyelets, and you know who you are. She wishes to remain anonymous, and I hope you're feeling better too if you're watching. And then I used those egg dies right here, which are really, really pretty, and I did pop them up on some foam to give them some dimension. And then there's one of the Easter eggs, and I think it came out so super, super cute. So when you flip it over, I made this so that it could be like a little mini album. So whoever I gift this to, they can stick a picture right here of their family and maybe keep it in their kitchen or in their crafty space. And it just is a nice flip for Easter. And so here is the second flip right here. And as you can see, I have all these different eggs. And then it says Easter, and I've got a little bunny rabbit behind the word Easter. And I do apologize, I forgot this one. This is a Little Inker Designs stitched bunny. I forgot to bring that one down, but I really love this Easter die right here. Really, really cute, and this is popped up on some dimensional foam to just pop it up from the two eggs beside it. And this is the back of this one. And I used a nesting die right there, and then I used those really pretty flower border dies to create the little scene. And these are not glued down, so you can slide the photo underneath the flowers. Really, really cute. And here is the next page right here. I used my favorite bow die, and then I used the stamp set that says From One Chick to Another, and it says Happy Easter, and I used a super cute little chick and a variety of eggs, and I even used a Spellbinders die. You see the border die from Cat Scrappiness right there, and I'm not sure what die I used right here to stamp out Happy Easter, but I think that came out really, really cute. And then this is the back of this page. And again, I used the floral die. And then here is the next flip. It says, You're my kind of peep. And I believe that's a Simon Says stamp. My friend Kimberly, who is Kim Possible here on the YT, she gifted that to me last year. Hey Kim, if you're watching. Again, this is a Little Inker Designs die set. I forgot to bring it down, but it is, that basket is from Little Inker, and I think so are those little eggs. I've got some more little eggs peeking out right here, and then I have this adorable little chickadee that I pieced together. Super, super cute. And I don't know if I shared that die, but this is a die. Absolutely adorable. And then here is the back of this one, and I just put a little Easter bunny Popped them up on some foam to give them dimension, because I love doing that. I used that nested circle heart set that I shared with you, and I think that came out really, really cute on the back of this one. And then here is the next banner, and it says, "You're one of my favorite peeps." And as you can see, I actually die cut out the bunny rabbit out of stitch or felt, not fabric, but just felt that I picked up from Target. I added a little bow, and then I layered the border right here with the glitter, and then you see the green. Here is where I used that nested flower die, and I just used pop dots to give it some dimension. You can see that it's a little bit raised. And then again, I used felt to die cut out this bunny, and this is a Little Inker Designs bunny rabbit. I apologize, I forgot to bring that one down when I was pulling all the dies. So super cute, I love that page. And this is the back of this one. And this is another die, and I apologize, you guys know I use a lot of dies and I try to pull as many as I can, but I think I forgot to share this one. But this is a big border die, and it's super cute. It has the flowers and the bunny rabbits, so I use that on the back of this one. And again, it's not glued down, so you can stick the picture behind the little scene that I've created. And then here is the last page right here. Using this little cute bunny rabbit, I made a bow, used that really cute egg die that I shared with you, and just kind of layered it a couple of times. You kind of see a little bit of yellow peeking out. And I did add a little bit of rickrack trim behind the bunny. I just thought that was super cute, and as you can see, all of the pages have some type of border from one of those border dies that I shared. So really, really fun tag or banner flip. And then this is how the back of that one looks, and this one I actually did piece the little colored flowers on the back. Really, really pretty, and some glitter paper. So I think this came out super cute. This was a really fun flip book for me to make, and I hope the recipient enjoys it. Thank you for watching today's video. Please leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know, and please check the description box below for product information, as I try to always provide that for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.